Hey guys, so today I want to talk to you guys about my favorite clear brow gel. This is a Benefit 24-hour brow setter, and I've used this for like the past 2 years, and there's nothing that beats this product. It truly holds my brows into place. I'm done with my makeup for today, and I'm only missing my brows. So I'm going to show you how I usually style my brows, and I want to show you the comb. It's like flat on one side and it has the bristles like that. So it's like really great for like doing the right shape that you like for your brows. So what I usually do is I comb my brows down first and then I comb them upward because I like that fluffy brow look. And what I love about this product is that it keeps the shape I leave my brows in for the whole day. Like, I can do whatever and my brows will be in place. So I don't know if you can see the difference. That's how I usually like my brows. So yeah, and I'm gonna do my other brow. But if you're looking for a brow gel that keeps your brows in place, I would definitely recommend this product. It's truly amazing. And yeah, I really like the formula as well. Overall, Benefit brow products I think are superior than other brands, and this is one of them. This of course is clear because I don't like to put like color in my brows, but yeah, that's what I love about this product. It's truly great. I love the finish it gives my brows, and overall the hold it gives my brows. So definitely check this out if you need like a clear brow gel that holds your brows into place. This is the product for you.